So for this problem, we are given a the definition of a function via a graph. So we're given a graph that's going to define a function, and we're asked to evaluate that function based on the graph. So if I look at it, the first thing I'm asked to identify is what is f of 1. So when 1 is the input to the function, what's the output of this function? So remember, our input values are x values, right? So when x is 1 goes into this function, which is right here, this is the spot where x is 1, what does the function give me back? Well, I'm just going to go to the curve of the function. It lands right here, and I can see when x is 1, this function is going to give me back the number 1, right? The output is 1. So, or negative 1. I got to be careful. It's down here at the bottom. It's negative 1. So when x is positive 1, this function gives me back negative 1 as the answer. So let's go ahead and write that. X is 1. X equals f of 1 is negative 1. Okay, let's do b, f of negative 6. So right here is the spot where my input is negative 6, right? Wait. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, no. That's negative 5. This is negative 6. Here's where my input is negative 6. So if negative 6 goes into that function, right, if that's my input, the output is going to be way over here. It hits at this level. So this is my output at that spot. My output is going to be positive 2. So when x is negative 6, this function gives me back a positive 2. So negative 6 produces a output of positive 2. F of 0, so if 0 goes in, right, I'm running out of colors. If 0 goes into this function, I just go straight down to where the curve is. This is it. And when x is 0, the function gives me back negative 2. That's where the curve hits. So this is going to be, this equals negative 2. And then the final one is what's f at negative 3. So here is negative 1, negative 2. Here's negative 3. Put a purple dot there. When x is negative 3, this function is giving me back the value that's here, which is at negative 1 again. Very nice. So negative 3 produces an output of negative 1. So this is equal to negative 1. So this is something that's, it's an important skill to be able to read a graph and see from it the inputs and the outputs. So I don't know. I hope we've had practice with this. I hope we have some more. But that's the answer for this question.